Hey you guys, this is Crazy Crafter Adventures with another crazy craft. We are going to do Fall Fever Friday, and I'm going to do this because it's fall. It's a punch needle kit I got from Hobby Lobby. Actually got 40% off of that, so it didn't cost me that. But I was going to make some of these, and yeah, thought it would be kind of fun. I guess. I don't know. I've never done it. It comes with one of these. Oh my gosh. I didn't know that one of those were in there. That's good. That works. That works for me. All right, you guys. Let's see. I've never done this before, so this is different. Oh, I can make coasters. Oh, I can make these into coasters. And then you go this way, right? Nope, hold on. Does it go this way? Is that what I want to do? All right, you guys. So I'm going to put this through here like so. Then I'm going to take this thread and I'm going to put it through this. Then it's going to pull it through this like so. Like that. And then I take this off. All right, so there you have it. All right, you guys. A little bit of adjustments I had to make, but I think we got it. I think I got it figured out. You're not supposed to pull it out that far. When you put it in, oh my goodness, put it in, put it in, put it in. And I guess the string goes through the, through this. Gotta bear with me because you're not supposed to pull it out so far. I don't know. That would be like sewing, kind of. It kind of sort of is. I wanted to go around this pumpkin because then the other side has the other color. And I don't know if you guys have ever done anything like this. This is something different for me. So, oops, see, I pulled it out. I don't know why it doesn't stay in. Anyway, you pull it out. You're only supposed to pull it out a little ways so it won't come out. I don't know how that stays in, to be truthfully honest. That's just weird. Okay. Oops. That's why I thought Fall Fever Friday. Let's do something different. And I got this punch art kit. Thought it would be kind of fun. Then I got to go back down and around because this is all this one color. It says to keep the needle point to the edge of it. Just like that. Oops. I don't know. I still can't figure out what holds it in there. How it holds it in there. Beseeches me. I mean, because I feel like I'm putting it in. See, I put it in really far. And it came out. Now I'm going to go back up. Because we just got to fill in this pumpkin in the middle here. Actually, I'm moving right along here. Then we're going to go back down. Finish filling in the white. I wonder now, when I end, because I think I'm done with that part. I'll do one more. And I wonder if I'm supposed to cut it on this side. So we'll use those. And I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to pull this through. So then I still have an inch on that. And then we're going to start up here again through. And then we're going to take this and it's going to go through here. It stays on this side like it did on this one. And yeah. Then we just punch it through. Oops. That one didn't work. I don't know, you guys. This is, like I said, this is all new for me. Oops, I pulled it through too far. Oh. Stop. So I'm going to do that. I don't want to do that. Do that. I mean, this is kind of cool. My daughter's done a couple of punch art, and she was like, oh, you can take your frustration out. Boom, boom, boom. She was cracking me up when she was doing hers. And I was like, okay. Because you can really punch it. I'm going to go back around. Oops. Poke it back in there. Back in there. Back in there. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'm just poking it in there and coming back out. Poking it in, coming back out, poking it in, coming back out. That's kind of cool. And then we're going to go back down the middle to fill it back in. Oops. I get carried away and pull it out too far. It says to take it all the way in, but I watched a video on it and she just barely takes it out. Barely push it in, barely put it out. Push it in, out. Okay, so there's that. I think I'm done with that one. So what I'm gonna do is push it in and I'm gonna cut it off. Cut that off. Pull it through, bam. All right. So now we're gonna do this side. I'm gonna start here and go up. Oh, whoops. So when I do this side, I'm gonna pull this through like that. Okay. Pull it through. Pull it through. Oops. So I messed up again. Go back in. You can go back through the hole. Just following the line. That's kind of cool. It's a different kind of craft. Back through. I think I don't have my finger back there. I have my finger back there, but not where it's gonna get hurt. And it's just like punching it and making like a little loop. Is what it's doing. Could probably get you some embroider, some of this canvas stuff and make your own design if you really wanted to. Pull that through. Pull it. Pull the string through. It says actually it says you're supposed to do it all the way up to that black thing on here. You're supposed to so I guess that makes sure it goes all the way in there. You're supposed to go all the way to that. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. I made a mess up here though. We're just gonna go back around on this side. You don't want to take the needle out too far, because then it pulls it out. I don't know, but we're trying it. Like I said, fever, fall fever. Friday. It actually is kind of, I don't know, kind of fun just poking it in there. Pull it through, because you don't want to have to put that back through there. So definitely don't lose that. All right, you guys, there is my finished project. It's not great, but it's my first time doing punch art. So I don't know. It was kind of hard to get used to, but after I got used to it, I mean, I made a few mistakes right in here, but there it is. Thanks for watching. Remember, the word for this is, what project are you going to work on in the fall? That is going to be the question that you need to leave in the comment for the giveaway. Alrighty. Fever Friday. Remember, family forever, stay positive, enjoy life.